Good afternoon, sir.
Good. See, which is the DBP I posted last month, many days. EMI posted fully now.
Yes, sir. One AS5 and speed enhancement. Till
No,
wave
DPP.
DPP last one is
I think I posted. No?
last DPP was of time varying magnetic field and induced fields.
That is, I posted inductance and all completed. No.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, we have our offline colleges.
Abjul sir wants to start. I told unnecessarily.
Sir, you will come.
Don't know, man, what is going on. He wants both online offline, it seems. What is that online offline? I don't know. So I will be explaining on board. That will be transferred through Zoom to other systems. Problem is that won't be clear. Signal won't be there. I told you bring all together offline or online. But don't run both. Anyhow, let us see what daily they are saying at home. You people will come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I told to call L40. They're calling L40, L41 total. I don't know. We'll take a decision. Wait. Daily meetings are going on in the front.
Sir, out of station students.
Everybody has to come. It seems. That's what, man. What they are doing, they only don't know. I'm telling you. They don't have a particular vision. What to do. Daily meetings are going on. Dual mode, they are saying. But for IIT, dual mode won't work out. Anyhow, let us see. See, in DC circuit, see, after transient period, how does the inductor act? Capacitor, do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Direct current, battery and all, agreed. However, suppose if you take the case of AC, Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So let us see. See, we are connecting AC. Say the EMF is like this. Agree? So you have the current. Do you agree till here? Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Finish this.
1 minute. Completed.
See, what is common through all elements in this one? What is common? Is it current common or voltage common for this? Both, no? So here we'll use like this. Suppose this is V naught. Agreed.
Yes.
You got this one, Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now they're having the same phase or not? Phase means this angle. Okay. After the trigonometric function must be same. After the trigonometric function is same, then the angles will compare. That's called phase difference. Agreed. Now you can see phase difference. We call it as voltage phasor and current phasor is 0. This is the voltage phasor, no? Agreed. Which is greater? I naught is what actually? So you can see that I naught is less than E naught, no? If you compare.
Yes, sir.
So that means you show with a shorter phasor, that's all, nothing else. Both are understood this. Is it clear or not?
Clear.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
And we write like this. See, E equals what we wrote? E equals E naught sine omega t. We will write like this. E naught, because actually phase angle is, I'll tell you. What is the initial phase here? Actual value should be what? Y equals, remember?
A sin omega t plus
Omega
phi.
t plus phi.
This indicates initial phase. What is this? Initial phase. This is the peak value. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? Gradually you'll be acquainted. What is this called? Similarly, what is the current phasor? Means current has a peak value I naught. This is having 0. So what is the meaning of this? Means both voltage and current are developed at the same instant. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means the moment you connect the battery and switch on, automatically current will generate. There is no time lag between them. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, we generally use this to solve AC circuit. We use phasor form, phasor representation, resistance phasor. The value, this is 0 phasor, capacitance phasor. I'll tell you what are the meanings of this. One by one you'll learn. This is the inductor phasor. Now, we'll discuss one by one, gradually I understand. Don't get worried, wait. So while doing phasor algebra for resistance phasor, capacitance, reactance phasor, this is inductance reactance phasor. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
See, I think complex numbers, no? This whole thing is some Z naught, this is alpha. How do you represent that?
E parallel.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Z naught means the sum vector sum of this. You know this now.
Yes, sir.
The resultant is Z1 with phasor alpha 1, Z2 with phasor alpha 2. This is nothing but Z naught into theta. Agreed? Clear? Theta is
Yes, sir.
resultant phasor. This is the phase angle. Resultant phasor, phase angle. One phase, these phasors are being added. Similarly, product of two phasors. Understood this? Division of phasors.
Z.
Do you agree with this? This is what you learned in complex numbers. I'm just people who doesn't know complex number, I'm just explaining. Anything you want to add. In applications you'll see one by one. Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Now what circuit analysis you have done right now? Earlier. You are giving a circuit. How to solve AC I'm saying. We shall discuss this. This is E equals E naught sine omega t. No? That means here, what is the E phasor mean? 0, no? And what is the resistance phasor man? Already I gave for resistance phasor now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you want current. E by R on no? Current. This is nothing but I naught 0 no? With I naught is nothing but understood this or not? Just now I told division of phasors now.
Yes,
Am
sir.
I right? That means now, therefore, what is I phasor? So if you want to write as a time function, I naught sine omega t plus 0, no? That is the meaning of this, no? You're agreeing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are they?
Followed.
So in the phasor diagram also you show like this. Both are same, no? So this is the E phasor. This is I naught phase. Understood it? Now these both are rotating like this, no, with omega. Remember SHM?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning of this, no? Okay, I'll
Yes,
just
sir.
recollect what you learned in SHM. See, the meaning of a vector is this one. Rotating vector means this only. This is the initial condition, no? So this is t equals to 0, no? This is t equals to t, no? This is phi naught, no? This is theta, no? Now this vector is rotating like this with omega. Then how do you write this vector? The displacement on the y-axis. What is your x-axis? If you take this as the displacement on y-axis, that is theta, means this is theta, no? Sin theta is nothing but y by this radius, no? Y equals r sin theta, no? So y max is nothing but r into sin theta max, no? What is sin theta max? One only, no? This
Yes.
y
Yes,
max
sir.
only we call it as amplitude. Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And you have sin theta, y equals r sin theta. R is a. What is theta? Suppose it rotates by an angle alpha. What is that you have? Omega t. From here to here is omega t only, no? Followed? The triangle is omega t only, no?
Yes. Sir.
It's not angular acceleration. Don't get confused with it. Okay? This is the story
Yes,
about a
sir.
rotating vector, remember? So same thing you use in AC. Any doubt is that till here? Check up.
No doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed. So I can say that agreed. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
capacitor. You will first finish normal analysis, okay? Now if you apply do you agree with this? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Is it clear?
Clear.
That means understood this? What is the meaning of the pi by 2 corresponds to time period of how much? T by 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Totally 360, that means 2 pi is one time period. Pi by 2 means T by 4, no? So what is the moral of the story? First current will go, enter the capacitor. That means charge enters. Then only potential will be developed, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Capacitor,
Yes,
they
sir.
should be charged for potential difference. For that, current first enters. After that, charge is deposited on the capacitor. Then EMF will arise. So what is the time lag between them?
T by 4.
You guys.
5 by 2.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first current should be there, charge should be there for capacitor to have potential difference. Charge should be there and current must pass. So first current should pass, after time T by 4, EMF will be built up. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
So what is leading? current is leading. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Any doubt?
No doubt.
Now you can see for this what I told, phasor for this. This is, I gave enough for a capacitor.
Yes, sir.
The same circuit analyzing like. What is the phasor for this man? Okay. Now this is nothing but resistance of capacitor XC. Till here you followed. So here what is the current? Current phasor is applied voltage phasor. Remember this? By opposition phasor, no? Applied EMF by opposition. Agreed?
Yes,
Agreed,
sir.
sir.
Do you agree with this? So this is nothing but do you agree with this? Followed. Now you see current is applied voltage by opposition,
Yes.
no? That opposition 1 by omega c only, no? Agreed.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Now we can build like this phasor. Suppose at t equals to 0, this is the voltage phasor. Okay, current phasor. What is the phase difference between current phasor and EMF phasor? What is the current phasor we have?
I equal to I naught.
You can see that if you write the equations, so from this what you have? Whereas I can be written as that is the meaning now we have.
Yes, sir.
Follow this.
Followed.
Now you can see that. Please see. This is the situation. I know. This is at t equals to 0. Agreed. Now suppose this rotates by some angle. This rotates by angle. So something. See, omega is same for both, no? See, omega is same, no? So what will happen? This will also rotate, no? But the same omega. But always it maintains that pi by 2. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This phasor rotates by omega. Current phasor also rotates by omega in the same direction. Always they will be perpendicular to each other. Is it clear?
Clear.
This is what we call it as phasor diagram of current and voltage. Understood this?
Understood.
Understood this? Is it clear?
Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute,
Done,
1 minute.
sir.
Done, sir.
See, actually omega is nothing but what you have, man. Capacitance Q is equal to CV, no?
Yes, sir.
Q is equal to CV. So C is Q by V, no? Do you agree with
Yes,
this?
sir. Agree, sir.
Okay. This is radian. Will radian have any dimension, man?
No, sir.
Coulomb per second, this is volt. Do you agree with this? This is volt by radian into current only, no? Agree? So this has no dimensions. This is volt by current. Dimensions only, no? Because radian has, remember this,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
volt by current is what?
Resistance.
Ohm.
This is nothing but volt by current is what, man?
Ohm.
Ohm.
Therefore, we have dimensions of do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
What is this called? Understood this? Followed?
Yes, sir.
XC. Followed this? Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Completed? Followed?
Done, sir.
Do you agree with this? Any doubt?
Okay.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Complete it.
So you can see that that means it offers highest opposition for what? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
That means which signals can pass through capacitor easily?
Low, which has less
Low plus
frequency.
below.
High
Low
frequency signals.
frequency, high opposition, man.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Any doubt?
No dots.
Understood, sir.
High pass filter. Now I leave here now. So filter circuits you'll come across in engineering. Understood this? Just like what you learned quadratic, how to find the simultaneous equation, all that now you're helping now. So what you're learning, all this will help you in engineering.
Yes.
you keep C constant, if C is constant, this is nothing but rectangular hyperbola or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Is it clear? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Following or not?
Following,
Following.
sir.
If I apply this, do you agree with this? Agreed.
Yes.
Do you agree with this? Correct, na?
Yes.
Can I write like this? You'll get the same thing, no? See? They agree with this?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No doubts.
No doubt, sir.
So here you can see that current lags EMF. That means what will be developed first? Voltage should be developed, that back EMF. Then only current will be there. Agreed or not? See, for an inductor, there should be what? Voltage developed for current to come. An inductor understood this? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, what is the phasor for inductor I gave? See? Haven't I given you?
Yes, sir.
Applied voltage by opposition, no? These are two phasors. No? Remember that what is current? V is equal to IR. That only we are taking now.
Yes, sir.
Remember? Remaining thing same Ohm's law only.
Yes, sir.
For division, what you will do? See? Great. So E equals is phasor. In terms of time, do you agree with this? Clear? Now
Clear,
from this
sir.
what you can see? Understood this? Same thing you got previously, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means if at any time you are having this as E naught phasor, then lagging, no, this will be I naught phasor. Lagging. Leading means this side. This is leading. Always angles are measured in which direction? This is anti-clockwise sense, no?
Anti-clockwise.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The whole problem is this maths people only brought all this convention. So physics people started adopting that to avoid confusion for the public. Why they have taken like this, we are abiding the same thing. Understood this? So
Yes, sir.
by if this moves by E naught at some other time, okay, then this will also move by same angle. But always this will be perpendicular, that will be
Perpendicular.
maintained.
Yes.
Understood this? So if this moves like this also moves. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
The same omega, no?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
You're making a notes or not? Only screenshot.
Sir,
Taking
notes
notes, sir.
writing, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
I asked? Somebody is saying something?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are
Notes.
writing notes.
We are maintaining roads, sir.
This is the general tendency of human beings is one attribute is very few people realize what they are. Most of the people think they're very great people. That is by basic thing. That's what we call it as ego. Remember? You have come across something called ego.
Yes, sir.
Ego means feeling that we are great. That ego is the first thing problem. It will is a barrier for development. I told you, the first day, until you go to your job after probation period, behave like a school going kid. Then you'll definitely develop. In school, how you used to behave, remember?
Yes, sir.
If you don't do homework, you'll get scared seeing the teachers. Remember all that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Henry. What is Henry, man?
And L
Hmm.
units of L.
Agreed. The ampere.
Weber per amps. Volt into second.
Won't V is equal to V by R, no?
Yes,
Yes, sir. V by R.
Second. So what is L? Ohm into second, no?
yes, sir.
Now, will radian have any dimensions?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is unit. Angle has no dimension, only unit. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we have understood this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Do you agree with this?
Agree.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Completed.
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Shall I turn this? Right. Now, what is that we learned XL is omega L. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? So, do you agree with this? Any doubt?
No doubt.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
What here? Omega is 0 now. Infinite resistance, it won't allow, no?
Yes, sir.
It behaves like what? Open circuit. Open circuit means no current, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is what we learned earlier, no? Is it clear? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Following anything?
Following. Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Abrar.
Done, sir.
Abrar had improved a lot. The physics paper is tougher. 262. Maths, who gave the paper, man?
Yes.
Sharma sir gave yesterday's paper.
Last exam, Tamanna sir gave.
Monday's exam.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The
How is
most
the
recent
paper?
one.
How is the paper?
Good, sir.
Easy only, sir. That syllabus was kind of easy this time.
What is it easy? What topic?
Probability, sir. Random variable. Mains level only. It is not there for advanced. One topic.
Only one topic exam, that is.
No, sir. Other
No,
topics
sir.
also he gave, but
Partial
that one topic
fractions.
had more weightage.
No, physics. We try to improve. Physics paper. How is the physics paper difficult?
No, sir.
Then
Oh,
why
sir,
are
easy.
using? Why
Sir,
are not
physics
getting
paper
100
only
out of 100?
easy.
No, why are not getting 100 out of 100, man? My mystery is that mains papers will be like that only, man. Why easy paper? Why are getting less marks? I want to see that at least 10 to 15 people get 100 out of 100. Then I'll enter the paper fitting. Then it is a dream only. Why are you losing marks, man?
Sir, silly mistake.
Silly
Yes,
means?
sir. So
Silly
sometimes
means?
calculation, sometimes misclicking, like
No,
that.
no,
Sir,
no,
simple logic.
you have to control that, all that, rectify that, no? Otherwise the same impact will be the final exam also.
Yes, sir.
No? See, exam to exam, you should decrease those, no? The purpose of all these exams are only for rectifying your mistakes, man. So that you'll attain the perfection before taking the final exam, no?
Yes, sir.
Then, Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Remember this? So for a resistance, you have the impedance we generally use Z. That is purely resistance. Huh?
Yes.
This time you try to get 100 out of 100, man.
Advanced papers.
The advancement is so tough. Huh? Any exam name is only different. Na? Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now suppose we are having like this. See here, remember series you just add, that's all. Now remember this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Only thing is, what is this you got? Now how to draw these vectors? Phasor, how do you draw? Hopeless fellows, Argand diagram, all that you learned now. 0 means R will come like this, now. Am I right? Minus pi by 2 means where it will
J cap
go?
down. Negative.
Omega plus, no? Minus XL. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not? No, this is the Z phasor or not? Vector sum of these one, no? So what is the Z over here? It has a magnitude, how much? And this is alpha. Where alpha is how much?
XL. Omega L by R.
Do you agree with this? Following what I am barking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Following.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Complex numbers you know, no?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
R phasor plus XC phasor, no? Do you agree with this? What is it you have
Yes, sir.
here?
1 by omega c minus pi by 2.
So minus means this side, no? And we write the total impedance phasor as is it correct or wrong? Minus should be taken
Minus.
straight, no?
Minus. Yes, sir.
Be careful with this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
See, to avoid confusion, you remember this. See, this is only for mnemonic. In chemistry, I come across memory based, no? Eli the Iceman. If you look at this, what is this? Voltage leads current. It is coming before, no? In what? Inductor. Here, current comes first, then voltage in a capacitor.
Capacitor.
So current leads voltage in a capacitor. Voltage leads current in an inductor. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To avoid confusion, that will be better. What you are thinking after coming to college? What expectations you have?
Normal colleges, sir, with hostels.
Hmm?
Normal college with hostels, sir. Like all day.
Sir, when is
The-
opening?
Pardon?
Sir, when college opening?
The problem with our college is all are part timers. Each one will be coming in different time. So you are
Yes,
about
sir.
to you open the book, no, then one fellow will come. Especially Sharma sir, whenever he feels he'll come, he'll finish the syllabus. After that, he will be invisible. Okay, like that we have some problem. Actually, I am against that system. I told her not now. From 4 5 years we are facing this. Let that college run in timings, one after one. Finish the class. That's all. No gaps, nothing. If that is there, headache will start. So meanwhile, children will go for sleeping. It's all headache. Who will monitor me? You know? Extraordinary children got spoiled in hostels. Why? We have a child, he'll easily get below 50 rank. I think one or two children I know personally, very good IQ. Why they lost, man?
Stress.
Mobiles. All students, male students with a mobile at night, what they'll watch. So all are not good, no? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So they're, you know, the greatest funny thing is, if you want, you tell this. One parent also I spoke actually. Always used to get very good marks in class in the week exam. But in class, anything we ask, he doesn't have minimum knowledge. I told Afzal sir, he's doing some nonsense. What he has done is, he used to use the mobile or he used to copy from books and get marks. Now his final mains marks is, total marks is around 72 marks he got out of 300, the topper. Because I got information long back, because student, who is the enemy for the student? Another student only, no?
Yes, sir.
Some fella will leak the information, sir, Abrar is doing this, that fella is doing this, something he'll tell. So I told Afzal sir, he did not take action. Hostels means students should be very sincere, man. One student is off track, whole system will go. The problem is, shall I turn this? And don't think somebody will be continuing. No hostel, everybody will observe. That is nonsense. And the problem is they're calling even L41 students. All together it will be a mess actually. Anyhow, I don't know what action they take. Let us see. I put forward my views. What to do if hostels open, discipline aspect, everything I give. Finish it till here.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now find the impedance of this. Let me see.
Omega L minus 1 by omega C pi by 2.
First requirement. బాక్స్ ఎక్కడ పడతారు నేను వాడుతున్నారా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రావట్లేదా నేను ఎక్కింది కొత్త కష్టాలు ఎక్కిన ప్రాబ్లం నథింగ్ బయట వర్క్ ఏంటో ఫీల్ అవుతాను చేస్తుంటారు కదా ఎనీ ఆన్సర్ మ్యాన్ హలో హలో
Yes, sir.
ఎనీ ఆన్సర్
Omega L minus 1 by omega C at an angle of pi by 2.
Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Agreed.
సారీ లేదు టచ్ వచ్చినట్టుంది కొంచెం ఫోన్ సారీ వస్తామండి రేపు వస్తాం కన్ఫామ్ లేదంటే వీలైతే ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాము వాయిదా చూస్తుండ్రు
Understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? Easy
Yes,
on
sir.
Yes, sir.
వచ్చేటప్పుడు కాల్ చేస్తాం ఎంత పే చేసి పేమెంట్ ఓకే అండి ఓకే సార్ సరేనండి
Till here you followed?
Followed, sir.
Right.
Followed,
We'll,
sir.
we'll continue in the next class, okay? Take care then. Bye bye. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
Right. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank
Bye
you, sir.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.